You can use your iPhone to capture spatial photos and spatial videos to relive your memories in 3 dimensions on Apple Vision Pro. You'll need your iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16, or iPhone 15 Pro with iOS 18.1 or later. Here are some tips to get started. For an immersive experience, frame your composition to include details in the foreground, midground, and background. For the best depth effect, make sure you're between 3 and 8 feet from your subject. Be sure to have even lighting in your environment, and try to keep your iPhone level. When recording video or taking photos, you can move along with your subject to keep them in your frame. When you're ready, select Spatial Mode in Camera. Rotate your iPhone to Landscape Orientation. You can tap the switch in the corner to choose between spatial photos and spatial videos. Let's go with photos. Then just tap the shutter button to take a spatial photo. You can view spatial photos and spatial videos in 2D on all your Apple devices, and in 3 dimensions on Apple Vision Pro. And that's how to capture special moments in a whole new way with spatial photos and videos. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel, or click another video to keep watching.